YouTube friends. This is Richard Mabey with Richard Mabey Presents. I'm at my favorite bench in front of the golf course and hoping to catch some more action here. New day, new adventure. So I'm gonna switch the camera around and see if anything exciting is happening here. So there's the golf course, the pond in the golf course. Oh, let me do this. This is where I used to go to get in that little hut there. And I'd walk up to the mailbox and used to have a little water fountain in there. But I think they did away with it. Hopefully something exciting will happen. There's the little pond in the golf course, and there's our main thoroughfare of Odell Circle. There's a golf cart coming along. I hope to catch something exciting here. We got a cyclist here coming up. I can hardly see. Let me zoom in on the cyclist. Really hope to get something. There's our cyclist. He's pedaling uphill. He or she's pedaling uphill, so it's kind of tough. That's the way to do it. Just keep pedaling. Oh, here we go. Got a couple of golf carts here. Number 1, number 2. And number 3. And they're going way down. Where are they going? They're going way down. Wow, they're gonna tee off. They're not even teeing off. I don't get it. I don't get it at all. They're teeing off way down there. It's got to be something exciting happening here. Some clouds out today. Let me see if I can catch some action here. It's kind of Dullsville today. I think I'll walk down to the little water fountain thing and see if they put the bottled water back. They used to have these little paper cups. They were shaped like a dunce cap, you know. And I used to come here and get a drink of water. But with the COVID-19 craze, they did away with the water fountain thing. It was a jug of spring water, big jug of spring water there. Let's see here. Hopefully they're putting the water back now. It was kind of nice. You come down, go down to get the mail, and that was right here. Let's see. No, what a bummer. It was right here. You'd have the spout right here, and you'd get the water, and there's the garbage. You throw the paper cup away. They used to have a little thing right here. You can see it here. And it held the paper cups in. What a bummer. Well, I'm going to head back to my chair, my bench. Oh, that was a bummer. I used to look forward to that, you know, go take the walk up to get the mail and get a little cup of paper cup of spring water. It was kind of a nice feature. There's my bench. It's a comfortable bench. Just the way it arches for your lumbar spine. Somebody put it here. They got a little plaque. Let's see. It's the ladies of Audrey Villas. Barbara, Gail, Karen, Kay, Linda, Mavis, Noella, Patricia, Sally, Shirley, Sue, Vera, and Vivian. Well, they all chipped in and bought a bench for me. That was really nice of them. Oh man, there's nothing happening today. There's no excitement today. This really bums me out. Nothing at all happening here. Oh, man. Well, I got to rest. I can't wait till they put the water jug back in there. It was kind of nice. Nothing at all. No excitement at all. Well, I'm gonna head over and get the mail. I was hoping something exciting would happen. Well, I'm heading out to get the mail.